Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Stop. Okay. Look at this. Look at all of this. All of this is because of one thing that we did. And that's what we want to talk about. This is a Bali mansion. It is what it is. It's a Bali mansion. Get over it if you don't like that. We live in a Bali mansion. Get over it.
Sorry.
But it's all paid for, and it's all because of publishing. And we want to talk about why, like give you the reasons and truly break it down and explain to you why publishing is better than dropshipping, better than FBA, all these other ones that you always hear about. Better than this, better than that, and why it really is the best way to get started if you want to live somewhere like this and do shit like that.
Can we just spread a little bit of
that.
awareness about how incredible publishing is as an online business?
Like, we really want to articulate it and give you the reasons.
Like, let's get a little emotional here. Like, it changed our fucking life.
Straight up. Straight up. 0 to Bali Mansion in 20 months. That's our publishing story.
That's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, so, okay. Let's fucking talk about it.
Come on. Come on.
Wait.
Come on.
Sit up over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Yaisa.
Alright. Alright, let's actually get into why the fuck publishing, man. I'm telling you, publishing is the best.
No one just knows it, but let's explain exactly why.
Just because, like, not everyone in the world is, or everyone on the internet is doing publishing, does not mean, like, oh, no, that's not the best one. If anything, that helps us, because there's not many people doing it. No one's fucking doing audiobooks, which makes it so fucking stupid easy to make shitloads of money. Let's just get straight into the first point. Like, we just have a few points that we thought of, the main ones.
There's one
that separates it from all the others.
There's one that's like 90% of it.
Yeah.
Would you say?
No, but yeah.
You know what I mean.
I know what you mean.
Right?
Yes.
It's literally the most passive business you will ever find in the world. We talked about this because it gets to a point where it can't get more passive. You can fucking sleep for a whole year. Well,
we were talking to
you as an example.
Well, we were talking to our friend about, like, publishing is the most passive thing, right?
Like, we're not just biased, right?
Yeah, like,
and he's like, yeah, there's that and there's real estate. That's the two that are literally like 100% passive.
Yeah. So
let's use you as an example, right? The last time you published a book,
an audiobook on my personal account was let's just be conservative and say April. Right. It was in April. And I've done this in a few videos. I'm just going to run through. I'm going to put the whole number on the screen. If you want to see, like, actual screenshots, I'll prove it. I don't really give a fuck. But this is going to be the month by month from 2018. Okay? 2018. And then April hadn't touched it since. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay? Since April, that's been completely fucking passive. Haven't touched it. Haven't done shit with it.
Right, you built out the first
that money, the dollars that you saw on the screen there, that's what's paying for this place. Like, oh, that's the profit. Okay, that's the fucking profit. Because nothing goes into it. I don't do shit. I just get the direct deposit at the end of the month. Like, that's what I live off of.
Well, look,
I don't live off of the YouTube money, the course money. I live off of that. And you can sit there and think, like, okay, passive income, cool, but why passive income? Why passive income?
Because the point is not to just fucking make money and work all the time.
No, that's not the point.
Right?
The point is be able to have the money and be able to do what the fuck you want at the same time. So you could have online businesses. You could run a dropshipping store. Speaking from experience, you ran a dropshipping store.
And it was
you didn't make a lot of money, but even if you had, like,
even if I was making $50,000 a month in profit from that dropshipping store, dude, I was fucking answering emails all the time, talking on the phone all the time, doing random shit, right? It felt like I was working a 9-to-5 job. That's what it felt. But I was doing it from home, which fucking, okay, that's sick. I was working all the fucking time, and it was so not passive. For an online business that gets, like, promoted as a passive way to make money online.
You could do these other online businesses. You could be a freelancer. Like, you're a freelancer, yes. It's better than having a job, but you still don't have freedom to do what you want. You need to work to get the money, and you need money to live, so, like, you have to work or else you go broke.
But look, yeah, the money is not the important thing to me. It's the freedom that you have with that money.
Yeah.
So because of that, we're able to fucking travel, like, wherever we want, whenever we want.
It's November 2018. We've been to 10 countries this year because of fucking this shit. We've been all over the place. Hawaii, Thailand, and Bali right now. Italy,
Mexico,
Egypt. Egypt, fucking all of these dope ass places. Anyway, that's just the first point. The passiveness, it's like none other. If you disagree, if you think there's something that's as passive as publishing, put it in the comments down below. And I bet we'll get 0 comments of people saying, here's something just as passive, if not more passive.
I want to talk about this. If you agree,
there's the real estate thing.
If you agree or disagree, especially if you disagree, let us know. Because I'm trying to, if there's something better, let me fucking do that.
Yeah,
then,
exactly. We're doing this because this is the fucking best thing that we know of. And yeah, there's the real estate, but do you have 100 grand to put down on a fucking home?
The second point is that anyone can get started.
Anyone.
If you have internet, you can get started. That's all you need. So it's best if you have money to invest in writers and cover designers, right? But you don't need it. The very first book that I ever published was something I wrote myself.
Same. Let me put it. I want to put it on the screen. I've never shared it before. Had to be a 4.0 GPA student in college because I actually was that. We both were because we worked hard, not because we're special. We're not special. We're not different from you. We're not any different. We just fucking took action. Yeah. Like no shit. We took action and actually like believed in the process and kept on going even when shit got hard.
And here's my first book ever. Wrote it myself.
What book is it?
CrossFit book. 50 top 50 best CrossFit workouts.
Yeah.
It made me $850 in the first month. I'll be honest, I fucking hit the nail on the head with that one.
Yeah,
that one well.
That made a lot of money. So another video we're gonna make is like how to make your first dollar online, or how to make your first dollar publishing, how to properly like actually get started. Because some people need that. The first dollar is the hardest, and then you hear all of the excuses. But we're gonna make a video explaining why you don't have any excuses. And if the big one is the money, like you don't need any money. You're gonna write it yourself. Find something that you like to write about and just write like a 5,000 word book yourself. Get $5 to make a cover made. Put it up, and you'll make your first dollar, and that'll prove to you like, oh shit, maybe there is something to what they're saying about this shit.
We have our friend Suraj, broke Indian, turned Indian prince. He was making $150 a month at his job
in India. He lives
in India. Literally saved up 2 months of salary to get his first book written. I'll say the chances are that you are living in a place where you can make much more than $150 a month.
You have it easier than him for sure. And now he's doing over $10,000 a month. He's rich as fuck in India. Rich as fuck.
I mean, he's making as much as
like I thought he was a terrorist. He's that rich now in India.
I mean, he's making as much as like the corporate massive.
Look, I just look, it's blood.
Ew,
it's bloody.
Ew, that's gross.
I just got it. I have
blood
on my
finger.
Can
you wipe it off? But he's making as much as like the high-level CEOs in India. Yeah. $10,000 a month.
So
he did this in 1 year.
It's real. All this is. Can you hear the sound? This is real. This is real. Anyway, let's move on.
Yeah.
I get very passionate about this stuff because, man, I hate seeing people that are skeptical, and because of you're skeptical, it leads to not taking action on something. And it's so fucking sad. All you need is like a lot of testosterone, and that's it.
That'll help,
yeah.
But you don't need it.
But my point is like, testosterone, you're a guy, like, oh, let's do this. You just need willingness. Willingness.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good word. So that's 2 points so far. There's a few more points that separate publishing from all the other online businesses. Like why specifically publishing is such an easy way to actually make the money. Yes, it's passive. Yes, anyone can do it. But it's like actually successful and work. Like one of the reasons why it works is because of Amazon.
If you've ever had an e-com store and you've tried like getting traffic,
it's really hard.
Ads, it's hard and it's expensive. Yeah. When I had my dropshipping store, all I was doing, I was just like chasing myself to make back the money I was spending on ads.
By running ads.
Yeah.
But when you have a business on Amazon, it's completely different. Amazon has the most traffic on planet Earth of any website. And you get to have access to their traffic for free. All of it. Their entire platform, all their customers, all their traffic for free. You could put something up, you just put it up,
and
you put it up, you publish it, and you make sales because there's people seeing it. If the cover looks good, the title looks good, people will buy it.
And then you also have the option to run Amazon ads if you want.
That takes you to a whole nother level.
Yeah, that takes you to
a whole nother level.
You don't need to pay a single cent in advertising to make money from publishing.
You just put it up, and people are there. People will see it because Amazon has that power. Okay. That was point number 3. Let's move on to point number 4. Oh, this is a big one. This is the ones that people don't realize.
Yeah.
Like, you only know once you've been in the game, made in different businesses, and it's the fact that you don't have to deal with customers.
Oh my god.
You don't deal with customers. And wow, there's not many businesses like that.
Well, that's
because
the
you're
biggest...
selling shit to people, and people are gonna reply, like email you. Like with the course, you would think, oh, you don't have. Actually, no, you would not think you don't have to hear from people after they give you $1,000. But they email you refunds, this and that.
I mean, that's the biggest lesson I learned with drop shipping. I literally decided after I went through the whole experience, like, I do not want to have another business where I have to deal with people. Now, that's not possible, because if I want to make a lot of money, we'll eventually have to.
Yeah.
But for a dropshipping store, oh my god, it's the biggest pain in the ass.
All right, but again, that's leveraging Amazon, because Amazon takes care of customer service for you. It's fucking next level shit, guys. It just has every component of what you want. Is there more to talk about?
Not really. Dude.
What?
You have blue shit all over your nose now.
I can't see it, but okay. Keep it rolling.
Yeah.
All right, are those the points?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't want to fucking overcomplicate it. It's the most passive shit in the world.
So we could bring
anyone can get started, and you don't need any skills. You don't need to be a writer, right?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, did we talk about that one? That anyone can do it?
Not really.
That'll be the final point.
Yeah.
Anyone can do it right now. You can start right after this video is over. We're gonna make another video dedicated to this. Just write a book about a topic you're passionate about. If you're passionate about basketball, write like a basketball training or basketball dribbling guide. You put it up with a nice cover, have it up there for a week, you will make a sale and make your first $1.
I really wish I could tell more about Suraj's business, but I can't because
we got a whole video on it.
Yeah, but the specifics. Then you'll kind of understand that you can honestly make a publishing business and brand around anything.
But he made just super random thing, made books about it, and makes a fuckload of money. Okay, you know what? Let's wrap this video up.
So dudes.
Magic emoji of the day is an 8-ball. Is there an emoji for that?
I feel like we didn't wrap it up.
No, we told everything. This is why publishing is the greatest.
Okay. And if you disagree, if you disagree, I want to talk about it.
Yeah.
You know, if there's something better,
I really want to talk about it.
I want to get into that.
I really hope we get comments of people saying why no, publishing is not the best and this is even better. And then let's talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, if you're watching this, now you want to get into it. We got a free mini course about it. Just get started on that. I don't want to plug anything else besides that.
Right.
Let's.
You can also make a shitload of money. Like that's another thing. This is not pennies. People making dumb money.
Seriously.
And you call yourself a published author.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's that as well.
There's that as well.
I'm actually an Amazon best-selling author from my CrossFit book that I showed you.
Technically, you are.
Technically, I am.
Right.
Well, technically, I just am. I'm a best-selling Amazon author.
All right, let's show the place. Like this is all because of publishing.
Show Ole.
Ole is a publisher as well. Hello, Ole.
Hello, internet.
Hey, you're famous now.
Finally.
Alright, let's wrap the video up. See you in the next video.
Drop those.